Workflows can help automate repetitive tasks and ensure consistent processes are followed across your operation. This workflow simplifies point cloud registration and filtering. Drag in your scans and it steps through a series of predefined operations. Complete minimum separation filtering and then global registration. The workflow editor accesses all Maptek software tools, and each workflow resembles a flowchart. Filter isolated points, topography and range, and create a triangulation. All done in less than a minute. You can create your own workflows tailored to your needs. Get in touch today to learn more.